So these two guys are usually very happy when it's summer because they get to take bath. How do they take bath? I'll show you today. So first of all, let me clean or remove their foods and all that stuff from the cage. Otherwise, the entire thing would be wet anyway. Ay, na better na, better na. Fairy wants to go and go out.
Can use this.
No, that's gonna hurt them. So Putlu's was suggesting to use a water gun. Okay, this is what we are going to use. So water gun. I'm sorry, not a water gun, a spray bottle. Fine mist of spray. They love. See, Rasagula. What she does. Rasagula loves it. She loves to be sprayed with water. And there goes Fairy. Yeah, I know the papers will be wet today, but this is the beginning of summer.